What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here. Happy Saturday to everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day. Wanted to cover a couple things today. The most important thing will be what my profitability currently looks like per month. So I'll do a cumulative total between the two platforms I'm currently mining on, which are Crypterra and Hashflare. But firstly, I just wanted to point out, yesterday was pretty crazy. Bitcoin had a pretty good bull run there, and pretty much all the altcoins had a negative effect, which is quite common. But we are now over 800 trillion or 800 billion, so on our way to $1 trillion. So, and also our 24-hour volume is really strong. So it's Again, 2018 is going to be a big year for crypto, so now is the time to get in. Do not wait, or you'll be sorry. So I did want to also show you this page. I've gotten a lot of comments and questions from people about Crypterra in terms of why is my hashing power taking so long to get added after I've sent my coins. I had some comments around Ethereum withdrawals taking quite some time. Also, some people were frustrated that the support team is taking a little while to get to them. And actually, they've posted a couple updates here to their Twitter, which leads me to believe that they are getting slammed with new users. So they're trying to, firstly, they made a comment here about some planned maintenance last night. The website was down briefly. This is showing me they're trying to upgrade their servers and their platforms to handle all these new users and this influx of people. They also put a note out here about they're apologetic for the support request taking so long to get back to you. Again, there's a flood of new users, I'm sure. And so they're being very transparent with us and saying, we're sorry for the inconvenience and your patience, but they will get back to you. Then lastly, they did put an alert, and this is actually in regards to the Ethereum wallet. I think they actually put a message here on the withdrawal screen, at least I saw it this morning, that's a little more in detail than that. Yeah, so withdrawals to the Ethereum wallet are currently disabled. Looks like they've refunded all those back to your balances, and you'll have to use Bitcoin as a payment method until that comes back. So again, I think they're trying to be transparent here. Sometimes it just takes a little research. I know people are frustrated, but as with anything new that's getting a lot of new users, just like these exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini and all of them had this influx of users and they couldn't handle it, and they turned off new user registration. So I'm sure it's similar here. If you sent your payment method and it's confirmed on the network, there may be a manual step before they activate your account. I don't know, but just be patient. I know it can be frustrating, but like I said before, I don't think this company is out to scam anyone, so just be patient. All right. On to what I wanted to cover. So between, let's go back here. So between my Crypterra account and my Hashflare account, let's just do a quick. So I've got 60,997 gigahash. So that's almost 61 terahash. So if we start with that, I've already put it in here. So 60,997, no power. No watts, no power. The pool fees are currently 0% due to a promotion they're having. The price of Bitcoin, well, it's actually gone up a little bit, but we'll just stick with 16,727, and I don't really care about the break-even point right now. So the monthly here is $3,985. Let me go over to my Hashflare. I've got 11.21 terahash. And I covered this in a previous video, but I'll go ahead and point it out again. All these orange numbers, there is a Chrome extension called Hashflare Reborn. And what it does is in real time it converts this to usable information that you can actually get some data around. So I can see my Bitcoin balance right now is 177 bucks. My average payout the last 14 days has been $20.50. It also gives some analytics down here, you know, my break even, or my ROI rather, is right here. So pretty cool. Go ahead and try that out if you like this, the way this looks. So that's 11.21 terahash. I've already thrown that into here, 11,210. Everything else is the same. I used a average pool fee of 15%. This is variable, and someone did comment and help me explain this. So the pool fee is determined at the Bitcoin price when they pay it out. That's why it's variable. So the higher the price of Bitcoin is, the lower the maintenance fee is. So that's why it's variable, and sometimes it'll be 12%, sometimes it'll be 20%. It's just based on what Bitcoin closes at. So if we take those two numbers, the monthly of 622, and we add it to the 3985. So right now I'm getting about $4,600 a month in passive income just on these two mining contracts. So, you know, that's probably more than some people's, you know, paycheck in a month. I mean, and you know, I know there's a lot of things going on with the taxes, but I don't believe this is a taxable. You know, you're mining, you're not trading. So I think, you know, I would consider this to be tax free. You know, don't quote me on that, but that's huge. I mean, $4,600 every single month is very helpful to my family, obviously. And there's a lot of factors that could change that. I understand that the difficulty is going to go up as people keep adding more and more of these antminers. The difficulty will go up, but hopefully the price of Bitcoin goes up equally. So as long as Bitcoin price goes up and the difficulty is going up at the same rate, this profitability should stay pretty consistent. So again, I've had great luck with Hashflare. I think there's a lot of people out there using this. The only downside is, you know, the minimum withdrawal is 0.05, which, you know, it's going to take me a while to get there. I think I haven't done a withdrawal in over a week, so it's going to take me, you know, 5 weeks to get there. And then the minimum fee is 0.0007. So, you know, when I do a withdrawal here, I have to have both of those amount to do a withdrawal. So you're paying the fee here, whereas I've covered in Crypterra, when you do a withdrawal, you don't pay that fee. However, it does take longer to get your money. Although I did notice the transaction I did this morning, I got that really fast. Hopefully this page loads. So this block cipher is getting slammed too. It takes sometimes a minute to load a page just because they're processing so many requests. But I'll show that. I think I had my money for the one this morning in like an hour, including the time it took to bundle it here on Crypterra. And if you have any questions on why your withdrawal is delayed, check out my video from yesterday. I did an in-depth video around why it takes some time to get that. So yeah, this page is taking a while, but yeah, this was confirmed on the network very quickly. So I didn't take a detailed look. They may have upped the fees that they're paying to get a higher priority on the miners rather, but I'm not sure. So again, I will continue to put my referral links for both Crypterra and Hashflare down in the description and in the comments. You know, both of these companies, in my opinion, yes, they are high risk, but they're high reward too. So you know, take any extra income you might have that, you know, you aren't dependent on, and give it a shot. This page finally loaded, but yeah, I mean, so the fee here looks like they may have upped it a little bit. I think previously it's been like 0.003, so they are trying to get a higher priority here so people get their money faster. I'm probably certain people sent support emails around it, so hopefully they're listening. So anyways, that's all I had for today, guys. Hope you all have a good Saturday and a good rest of the weekend. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and you can continue to see videos like this. Alright guys, have a good one. See ya.